Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Indeed job search and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We will search about the application of Indeed job search. And here we will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by